Hi there, everybody. We're here in the furniture department with Mary Beth, and we're doing a little series on some of our furniture vendors. And so Mary Beth is going to talk to us about Telescope.
Yes, Telescope, a company that's been around since 1903. For most people, they wonder where that name Telescope comes from. And actually,
You told me you had a story,
yeah,
so I'm dying to hear it.
I do. Well, it was called the Telescope Cot and Bed Novelty Company. The reason for that is because they actually made cot beds. They provided for the U.S. Army through World War I, World War II, and the Korean conflict. They also had a lot of camping gear. They had telescoping legs, so that's how they get the name.
Oh, well, that's fascinating. I love to hear those crazy stories about where things got their name. So what are some of the best features about Telescope furniture?
Well, what's great about it is it's really well made, extruded aluminum. It's powder coated. It's going to last outside, and even in Wisconsin weather. A lot of mix and match pieces so that you can really custom design something that suits your needs with your color palette and can make it exclusively something that's yours only.
I did order some chairs this year for my yard from Telescope, and with a snazzy orange seat with this marine grade polymer and then sort of like slate gray frames. They look fabulous, by the way. And so that's a really good opportunity for you to, like you said, to make it exclusively your own. Tables come in all different kinds of heights. You can get stools. They have, slings. What are some of the other sort of really cool features about Telescope?
Telescope also does deep seating, which most people aren't aware of, because it evolved from that camping sort of look. It's become something more decorative and for use out in your casual outdoor living, so you can really make something that's very unique and comfortable. It's very durable. One thing that people like about it too is it's made in the United States.
That's super cool. In New York,
In New York, Granville, New York, which is upstate New York. And it's great. Also, one thing Telescope is known for too is their world famous director chairs.
Right.
So Hollywood is covered in Telescope, as is several presidential estates, Camp David.
So that's fabulous. So basically, you can come in and check in with one of our furniture associates, and they can show you all the possibilities that Telescope can do, from dining to deep seating, different kinds of materials, super long lasting, really durable in our climate. And Mary Beth or Alyssa or Rachel, they would love to help you. And so thank you for spending this time with us, and happy summer and happy grilling and happy outdoor living from all of us here at the Bruce Company.